The Karnak Temple Complex is the biggest ancient religious site in the world, covering over 200 acres, about twice the size of Vatican City. Almost every significant pharaoh of the New Kingdom added chapels, pylons, statues or obelisks to Karnak, making it an ongoing royal building project. It was built and expanded by more than 30 pharaohs over 2,000 years. The famous Great Hypostyle Hall contains 134 massive stone columns arranged in 16 rows. Some columns reach a height of 24 meters and are so wide that 10 men holding hands can't encircle one. There are still unexplored rooms, hidden inscriptions, and unfinished sections in Karnak, suggesting that its secrets are not yet fully revealed, even after centuries of study. Inside the temple complex is a sacred lake used by priests for ritual purification. The lake still contains water from the ancient Nile and is fed by underground channels.